Welcome to Design Eye. I'm Heather, an award winning designer with 14 years of experience in interior and exterior design. Today, I'll share inspiring coffee bar ideas, highlighting what makes each design practical and aesthetically pleasing. Let's explore these beautiful and functional coffee bar setups together. I absolutely love this coffee bar setup. The charming rustic cabinet with its distressed white finish immediately draws the eye and sets a cozy farmhouse vibe. The open shelving is perfect for displaying these delightful Rae mugs, each with its whimsical text that adds a touch of personality to the space. I appreciate the use of greenery both on top and within the shelving, as it brings a fresh, natural element that softens the look. The hooks for hanging mugs are a clever use of space, keeping the area organized while also making the mugs easily accessible. The wooden tray and cream jug on the countertop tie in beautifully with the overall rustic theme, and the coffee maker fits neatly into the space without overwhelming it. If I were to make any changes, I might add a small, rustic basket or a few additional storage containers to the countertop for added functionality, such as holding coffee pods or sugar packets. Overall, this design is both practical and aesthetically pleasing, making it an ideal coffee bar setup for any home. This coffee bar design is a perfect blend of functionality and style. The open shelving above is fantastic for displaying a variety of mugs, decorative signs, and greenery, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. I love how the signs add a humorous touch, making the space feel personal and fun. The countertop setup is very practical. The mug tree is a great addition, keeping mugs organized and within easy reach. The coffee machine is placed conveniently, with coffee pods and essentials right next to it, ensuring everything is easily accessible. The tiered tray and basket underneath provide ample storage for extra mugs and supplies, keeping the space tidy. What I would consider changing is adding a small wall-mounted cabinet or additional shelving below to store more items out of sight, maintaining a cleaner look. The overall design is charming and highly functional, making it a delightful spot for a morning coffee routine. I am absolutely taken with this coffee bar setup. The blend of rustic and modern elements creates a welcoming and stylish space. The hanging greenery wreath and the Hello Spring sign add a touch of seasonal charm that can be easily updated throughout the year. I appreciate the use of wire baskets for storing coffee pods and essentials, keeping everything neatly organized and within reach. The mug rack is both practical and visually appealing, showcasing a lovely collection of mugs with colorful interiors that add a playful touch to the design. The countertop is well utilized with a combination of decorative and functional items, such as the wooden caddy for additional storage and the tiered tray for coffee essentials. One thing I might change is to add a small wall shelf above the coffee machine to hold additional items or decor, enhancing the vertical space. Overall, this coffee bar is beautifully designed, combining functionality with a cozy, inviting aesthetic. This minimalist coffee bar is simply stunning. The clean lines and neutral tones create a serene and sophisticated space. The white herringbone backsplash adds a subtle yet elegant texture that complements the sleek white countertop and appliances. I particularly love the wooden shelves, which add warmth and provide ample storage for coffee essentials and decorative items. The choice of decor on the shelves is impeccable, with a balance of functional items like the black kettle and more decorative elements such as the dried flowers and woven baskets. The small touch of greenery cascading down from the shelf adds a refreshing, natural element to the space. The wooden mug tree on the countertop is a stylish and practical solution for keeping mugs organized and easily accessible. The addition of candles and the small wooden container for coffee grounds adds a cozy and inviting touch. If I were to enhance this setup further, I might add a small tray to corral the coffee accessories and maintain a tidy look. This design is both aesthetically pleasing and highly functional, making it a perfect coffee nook in any home. This coffee bar strikes the perfect balance between rustic charm and modern functionality. The open shelves provide ample space for displaying a mix of decorative items and coffee essentials. I particularly love the use of mason jars filled with greenery, which add a touch of nature and freshness to the setup. The coffee because adulting is hard sign injects humor and personality into the space, making it feel warm and inviting. The countertop is well organized with a mix of wooden cutting boards, a tiered tray, and a coffee maker. The Rae canisters and mugs bring a cohesive look with their distinctive typography. The small decorative elements, such as the mini plant and the frame sign, add character without cluttering the space. If I were to make any adjustments, I might add a small basket or tray to organize coffee pods or accessories neatly. This setup is practical, visually appealing, and full of personality, making it a delightful spot for your daily coffee ritual. This coffee bar setup exudes a charming, eclectic vibe that I find incredibly inviting. The floating wooden shelves are a wonderful choice, providing a sleek and modern backdrop for the various decorative items. The mix of ceramics, wicker baskets, and greenery creates a visually interesting and dynamic display. I particularly love the use of whimsical elements like the bunny figurines and the rabbit shaped mugs, which add a playful touch to the space. The natural wood cutting boards and the greenery cascading from the shelf bring in an organic feel that balances the modern elements perfectly. The countertop is well organized with essential coffee making equipment, including a sleek white coffee maker and a single serve machine. The addition of stylish soap dispensers and a small diffuser enhances the overall aesthetic and adds a touch of luxury. If I were to make any changes, I might add a small tray to group together some of the countertop items for a more cohesive look. This coffee bar is both functional and beautifully styled, making it a delightful spot to start the day. This coffee bar setup is a masterclass in minimalist design and functionality. I love how the open wooden shelves provide ample storage for the glass jars, each neatly labeled and filled with different types of coffee and tea. This not only keeps everything organized, but also adds a visually appealing element to the space. The hanging glass mugs beneath the shelves are a brilliant use of space, keeping the countertop clear while still making the mugs easily accessible. The sleek, modern coffee machine and black kettle fit perfectly into the clean white aesthetic of the countertop. I appreciate the inclusion of a botanical print and a small plant, which add a touch of nature and warmth to the otherwise streamlined design. The overall look is very cohesive and functional, making it easy to prepare and enjoy coffee in a clutter-free environment. If I were to make any changes, I might add a small tray or container to corral the smaller items like the canister and candle, further enhancing the clean look. This setup is both stylish and practical, making it a fantastic addition to any home. This coffee bar setup is both stylish and incredibly functional. The floating wooden shelves with black metal brackets create a sturdy and visually appealing frame for displaying various coffee essentials and decorative items. I love how the mugs are neatly stacked, and the use of books adds a personal touch to the arrangement. The countertop is well organized, with a high-quality coffee maker as the centerpiece. The syrups displayed on a wooden tray are both practical and aesthetically pleasing, making it easy to customize drinks while adding a cafe-like feel to the space. The mug tree keeps additional mugs within easy reach, and the glass dome with cookies is a charming and inviting touch. The combination of greenery and rustic elements, like the cutting board and vintage grater, adds warmth and character to the space. If I were to make any changes, I might consider adding a small mat or tray under the coffee maker to protect the countertop and define the coffee prep area. Overall, this design is both beautiful and highly functional, making it a perfect spot for enjoying a morning brew. This coffee bar setup is absolutely charming with its vintage-inspired aesthetic. The use of shutters and a corrugated metal awning creates a cozy, cafe-like feel that is both unique and inviting. I love the string lights, which add a warm and magical ambiance to the space, making it perfect for early mornings or evening coffee moments. The decor is thoughtfully arranged with a lovely mix of greenery, flowers, and rustic elements. The mug tree and vintage scale are standout pieces, providing both functionality and visual interest. The open shelving below is well organized, with a mix of mugs, plates, and decorative items that add to the overall charm. The use of a tiered tray for holding mugs and other coffee essentials is a smart choice, maximizing the countertop space and keeping everything easily accessible. The woven placemat under the coffee maker adds a nice textural element, tying the look together. If I were to make any changes, I might add a small storage basket or drawer to hold coffee pods or other small items, keeping the space clutter-free. This coffee bar is a delightful blend of style and practicality, making it a standout feature in any home. I absolutely love the sleek and modern look of this coffee bar setup. The combination of stainless steel appliances and glass accents creates a clean and sophisticated aesthetic. The small espresso machine and milk frother are perfect for making high-quality coffee drinks, and the neatly organized coffee pods underneath ensure everything is within easy reach. The focal point of this setup is the beautiful round shelf that holds a selection of stylish mugs. This adds a touch of elegance and creates visual interest. The assortment of syrups in matching glass bottles with gold pumps is not only practical, but also adds a luxurious feel to the space. The small bouquet of flowers brings in a bit of nature, softening the overall look and adding a fresh touch. The only change I might suggest is to add a small mat or tray under the syrup bottles to protect the countertop from any potential spills. This coffee bar is a perfect blend of style and functionality, making it an ideal spot for crafting delicious coffee drinks at home. This coffee bar setup is a beautiful blend of functionality and rustic charm. I love how the wooden shelf and the rail system create a practical and stylish space for hanging mugs and decorative items. The potted greenery hanging from the rail adds a fresh, natural element that brings life to the space. The white Nespresso machine fits seamlessly into the clean, neutral color scheme, and the tiered tray beside it is a smart way to organize coffee essentials like sugar, sweeteners, and cocoa. The glass jars with wooden lids are a fantastic touch, keeping everything neatly stored while adding to the overall aesthetic. I appreciate the thoughtful addition of a small tray and pump bottles for syrups or sauces, making it easy to customize drinks. The countertop is spacious and well organized, providing plenty of room for coffee preparation without feeling cluttered. Overall, this coffee bar is both practical and stylish, making it a delightful spot for a morning coffee routine. This coffee bar setup exudes elegance and sophistication. The built-in cabinetry with its glass-fronted doors and gold hardware provides a luxurious frame for the coffee nook. The warm wood backing and gold accents on the shelves create a rich, inviting backdrop that perfectly complements the sleek espresso machine. I love how the open shelves are used to display both functional items and decorative pieces. The gold-rimmed cups and small potted plant add a touch of luxury and greenery, while the decanter and glasses above give the space a refined look. The framed artwork and the picture light above add a personal and artistic touch, making the area feel more integrated into the home's decor. The countertop is uncluttered and spacious, providing plenty of room for coffee preparation. If I were to suggest any changes, it might be to add a small, elegant tray to organize coffee accessories and keep the space looking tidy. This coffee bar is a perfect blend of functionality and high-end design, making it a standout feature in any home. This coffee bar setup is a perfect blend of rustic charm and practicality. The wooden shelves with black metal brackets provide ample storage for coffee essentials and decorative items. I love the mix of glass jars and mugs displayed on the shelves, keeping everything organized and within easy reach. The coffee bar sign adds a personal and inviting touch, making the space feel cozy and welcoming. The countertop is well utilized, with both a traditional coffee maker and an espresso machine catering to different coffee preferences. The addition of a small basket for coffee pods and a vintage-style radio adds character and a touch of nostalgia to the space. The chalkboard with a coffee guide is a fantastic feature, adding both style and functionality. The woven basket storage underneath the countertop is a smart use of space, providing hidden storage for less frequently used items. If I were to make any changes, I might add a small mat or tray under the coffee machines to protect the countertop and keep the area tidy. This coffee bar is both charming and highly functional, making it a delightful spot for coffee enthusiasts. This coffee bar setup is a perfect example of modern elegance and functionality. The white cabinetry and sleek black handles provide a clean and sophisticated look, while the open wooden shelves add warmth and a touch of rustic charm. I love the use of greenery cascading down from the shelves, which adds a refreshing and lively element to the space. The herringbone tile backsplash is a stunning feature that adds texture and visual interest. The countertop is well organized, with a compact coffee maker and electric kettle, making it easy to prepare a variety of beverages. The addition of a small tray for syrups and a cutting board keeps everything neat and within reach. One of my favorite features is the mini fridge, which is perfect for storing cold drinks and additional coffee supplies. The decorative items on the shelves, such as the vases and framed artwork, add personality and style without cluttering the space. If I were to make any changes, I might add a small mat or tray under the coffee maker to protect the countertop and define the coffee area. This coffee bar is a beautifully designed and highly functional space, perfect for any home. This coffee bar setup is incredibly functional and well organized, making it a perfect addition to any home. The use of a pegboard wall allows for versatile storage solutions, with shelves and hooks that can be rearranged to suit different needs. I love the small wooden shelves that hold labeled jars, keeping ingredients like coffee beans, sugar, and oats neatly stored and easily accessible. The espresso machine is the centerpiece, conveniently placed at a comfortable height for easy use. The inclusion of a coffee guide is a thoughtful touch, providing a quick reference for making different types of coffee. The rolling cart adds extra storage and mobility, with a wine rack, additional baskets, and shelves for storing larger items. The touch of greenery adds a fresh, natural element, making the space feel more inviting. If I were to suggest any changes, it might be to add a small mat under the espresso machine to protect the cart's surface and define the coffee area. This setup is both stylish and highly functional, making it an excellent coffee station. Thank you for joining me on this tour of inspiring coffee bar ideas. I hope these setups have sparked your creativity and given you practical tips for creating your own perfect coffee nook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more design inspiration. Happy brewing!